So next one is class AB. AB, you know, it is between A and B. So class A will connect for 360. Class B will connect for 180. So class AB is between 180 and 360. So the output will be present between half of the cycle and less than for between half and full cycle. So another example of class A is another how to interpret class A is the power amplifier is less linear than class A and more linear than class B. So it is a mixture of A and B, right? So A is going to be highly linear, B is going to be non-linear. So when you say AB, it is a little bit less linear than A and a little bit more linear than B. That is the understanding you have. That is about class B, class AB power amplifier. And you have to be very important, consider about the 1 dB compression point, because as the non-linearity grows, we have to be very watchful about this point, because this will affect the performance of your circuit. This will affect the performance of your circuit.